your body give me ginger. Don't go far from me. Oh, I know you say.
The Monsaraz Hotel. I don't know if it's downtown San Diego, more like by the harbor. Checking into the room, got my room cards. First time seeing it. Pretty decent and clean. Nice interior design. No funky smells. Feels like it was maybe remodeled recently. I think it's called the Monsaraz, I don't know. And right by this, I'm by the mechanical yard, whatever that is. Okay. And we enter the room. Gotta hit the lights. Light switch there. And then we enter into this foyer with this cool tile right here. Pretty awesome. Let's turn the lights on. That didn't do anything. What was this? Oof. That was weird. Okay, so we need to find some lights here. First of all, mirror. Hello, I'm in San Diego. Hit the lights right here. And we have this coffee station. And I want to check this interior design out because I saw online some cool pictures. Where are the lights? Okay, I guess I gotta turn on each one by itself. Okay, that's on. And let's turn this one on. Cool lighting here. I really love this lighting and this cool wallpaper. It says eat, sleep, repeat. Picture of somewhere in Europe. This bed is a king and it looks super comfy. Got some cool wicker type chairs that matches this wicker type of light fixture. Here's another view from this corner. Interesting television area with these bars right here. Air conditions on, I could feel it. Awesome. Nice comfy chair. I really like that chair. We got this armoire right here. 2 robes, standard safe, laundry bag, luggage rack, extra pillows and blanket. Not every hotel provides that. And an iron. And that's it with this. Pretty cool. And we are coming back to this corner over here. Let's see. Cool little nightstand. Empty. Awesome. You could link your phone up to this, looks like. Oh, awesome. Standard USB chargers. This is like a leather, maybe a faux leather. Awesome. Cool comfy pillows. Let's see if they're soft. Ooh, nice and soft pillows. Nice and firm bed. Down sheets. Nice. I don't know what this is, but it has some sort of thing to close it. Maybe. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. Oh, it slides. Duh. Okay. These slide open. Okay, so it looks like this might be an ADA room because it's a huge bathroom and the shower is super huge. This opens up and then I think you can see the person taking a shower in there. Let me just see. Let's open this up. kinda, maybe. Okay, you can kind of see the person taking a shower in there. An ADA room is for people like in wheelchairs or like handicap or have like limited mobility. So they can kind of like function around here. Their wheelchair can come in here. This is very spacious here around the toilet. And there's always a huge shower, cool shower with the handle. On HotelTonight, I got this room at HotelTonight, and I can leave a link for a discount. But if you book your trip late at night, which I did, I booked it pretty late in the day, they'll give you one of the ADA rooms, which is a much bigger room, much bigger bathroom, more spacious, kind of more features in the room too, because nobody who needed it tonight booked it, so they got to fill it somehow. So when you get the ADA rooms, you're pretty lucky, because like I said, they're bigger, they have more features, more things in it. The negative part of that is a lot of hotels, they have their ADA rooms on the first floor on the ground level, but we got lucky again today because we're on the second floor. I think this is like 3 or 4 stories high, but we're on the second floor, which is great because we have a view, and we haven't seen the view yet. But let me show you this cool sink. We got our hairdryer down there, 3 big bath towels. Maybe they're so huge because people use them for the beach. Like I said, cool sconce type of lighting here, a lot of cool tile, a nice interior design here, pretty hip, pretty cool, very basic, not like so luxurious. Yeah, ADA rooms also come with like these stools here, so you would put the stool inside the shower and take your bath. And oh, it looks like these are like earthquake proofing this armoire right there. We are in California. Okay, so like I said, we're on the second level, so let's check out the view. I already see some cool lights. And, oh, view of the courtyard where you can just lounge. There's some lounge chairs out there. There's like a huge table. Maybe we might go out there later, see things. Looks like a plant wall. I don't know if that wall is fake or not, but this is the room. Not too many features. Let me see what's in here. Nothing. You can kind of judge a hotel by the phone if it's like broken and dirty and gross and a lot of crud. That phone's pretty clean, so that's pretty awesome. Did we miss anything? Let's see, what's down in here? Ooh, fridge. No drinks or food in it. Too bad. And then we got a pod machine. 1 coffee pod, and then sugar and probably powdered milk. Only 1 coffee pod. I guess I could ask for more. A couple wine glasses. Yeah, that's about it. Here's the bathroom again. Here's the lovely tile.
If you're winning more hits for ya, more love, more peace for ya, more grease to the grits for ya. Pray for the #1 hits for ya. If you listen, more gist for ya, more moves, more flex for ya. Got that money on deck for ya, and order 4 bodies and 2 drinks for ya. Shawty waste no time, you don't wanna complain. You don't wanna, you can walk up and lay. All I know is I'll be up every day, thinking about how to shut down the stage. Shut down now. Usual. She get down like usual. We're making money like usual. But I'm more love like usual. High time to take me up. I'm trying to change it up. Low key, I'm used to the fake love. About too many times in Lagos. See, I do it for my people with a show love. Growing up, you know we always had it so tough. Let the melody set you free, yeah. Let the melody set you free, yeah. Shawty waste no time, you don't wanna complain. You don't wanna, you can walk up and lay. All I know is I'll be up.
Early morning here in San Diego. Just waking up. Got me a nice Americano. Enjoying this courtyard outdoor area that I showed you last night. From the window it was the area with the strung lights. So turn it up and let you see. Really nice outdoor area to just hang back in the morning. I think they serve food. It's connected to a restaurant back there. Super cool interior design. The restaurant is actually also connected to like a salon, a hairstyling salon. I saw some people in there getting their hair done. So a few things in this hotel where it makes it feel kind of luxury and hip, but at the same time it's super small and kind of like a boutique. But I'm just gonna chill out here with my coffee, probably show you some cool shots in the next coming clips, and get ready for my day in San Diego. And that's the outdoor area that we came from. And that's the salon. This is the hair salon. Street access. And the lobby. Cool, like wicker type things. Nice seating area. And outside surrounding area. Got some cool cactus growing out here. Out here, I don't know what street this is, Garrison and something else, but pretty busy. A lot of cars driving by. Good thing we're at the other end. A lot of hotels out here. We got Comfort Inn right next door. Oh, that's what the coffee place where I got this coffee is called Dark Horse Coffee. And this is the salon. Oh, and Westerly Public House is the restaurant underneath. Got the Ramada across the street. A lot of hotels around here. Liquor store, Winchell's. Donuts. Got some donuts out here. Life's Better Buzz. Oh, there's like a drive-through coffee place. I could have went there. Maybe we'll go there later, but just wanted to show you the outdoor outside area, surrounding area. As you can see, we have the Monsaraz. That's how you spell it, Monsaraz. Pretty cool. Looks like the hippest, nicest hotel in this area. They got some valet, cactus, and then if you walk this way, we can hit the water. This is the back of Monsaraz, and there's a pool here. I don't think this is the Monsaraz pool. I think that's the Comfort Inn pool, but it's connected to the Monsaraz right here. Psyched you out. And this is like the harbor area. Sport fishing landing. If you keep walking that way, you'll see boats in the water. maybe we'll go back there later. And this is the outside of the Monsaraz.
I stay straight and you stay evasive. Oh, so please don't for me, I'm busy lately. And I've never been the type to hold shit back. I never loved someone that ain't on tap. I'm in that all or nothing category. I never lost a friend that I want back. Cause I don't need love, I don't need love, I just want trust. I don't need love, I don't need love, I just want trust. And I know I'm falling again, gone again. I'll be going till the morning. I'm gone again, gone again. Don't let me go, cause I'm falling. So please don't phone me, I'm busy lately. I stay straight and you stay evasive. Oh, so please don't phone me, I'm busy lately. Please don't phone if you're not my baby. Yeah. No more phone line, no more FaceTime. No, I don't like to waste time, no. I don't fake smile, I won't fake smiles. But I will go hard like it's never been done before. I run game like it's never been run before. On trip when I see I still want more. Cause I don't want nothing slow.
Stay tuned because I'm gonna have much more San Diego stuff coming. If you haven't seen all my Chicago videos, my Chicago series, then go check those out. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. More Chicago videos are coming, more San Diego videos, and who knows where I'll go next. Peace.